Assalamualaikum everyone, it's Muhammad Adnan here and I hope you are doing well. In this video, I will be explaining how to use WupHub. This gonna be a beginner friendly tutorial, so even if you never use WupHub before, you will be able to understand every feature of this tool in this video. So first of all, you're gonna come to wuphub.com. Either click on this get started button or this. It will take you to login page because you are not already logged in here. If you will already, then it will take you to dashboard. Anyway, here you can log in your account with email and password. Either you can create new and you have to verify email if you will add here any email address and password and name, so you have to verify that email as well. Otherwise the smart choice is that if you have Google logged in your current browser, you can just click on sign in with Google, and using that specific your Google account you can log in into this software. So if you never use WebHub before, first of all, thing you should do is come to setting and set up delay time and sleep mode before anything else. Because if you will not set up, it will be sending messages with zero delay and like the account can get banned if you will send to too many people. So it's better to set up this thing before. So for example, I gonna be setting here 10 to 30-second delay between each message. This gonna be considered as between each message. It gonna be picking a random word like a number between 10 to 30 second that I have added here. So it's gonna be just sleep for that much time and then send again, and delay for that much time and send again. So here we have a sleep mode as well. If you want, after a specific number of messages, it should just go for sleep mode for that much time and then restart again with normal delay time until it reached that number again and go for sleep mode again. So you can set up that here. So for example, I have set up that between normal messages it delay for 10 to 30 seconds, but after sending 4 messages it should sleep for at least 1 minute. That I have added here. And you can save setting. This other settings I will explain later. So we're gonna be go in devices. The second most important thing you should do is to connect your WhatsApp with WupHub. That you can do by clicking on create an instance. Add here any name. It is just for you to recognize within software that you are sending from this account or while using other features. So you could select the account by its name and you're gonna be clicking on create. It will show QR button and you can click there. Go in setting, link devices and scan QR. Once it will get connected, it will show you here a top up. As you can see here, session got connected. Now after a few seconds it will automatically close it after settling things down, and now you can see our WhatsApp is got connected with WupHub. Now the next step is how to send message. For that, the third most important thing to do in WebHub is create a template. You're gonna click on add template, gonna add name, you're gonna select the message type, For now, let's go with text. You can use these variables to make message personalize, like this is for name, this is for variable 1. Whatever you will add in variable 1 will be replaced if you add it in message. You can use even spin text method to make a random message for each one. So that things you can apply. So for now we're gonna just use the name and we're gonna be sending a text message. Okay, now to send message, you're gonna go in send messages if you want to send instance. If you want to schedule or automate those things, we will discuss later. So for now, let's go in send messages, select template. Here it's gonna show you the devices you have connected because this software allow multiple accounts. So you can use multiple as well, but for now we have just one. So we're gonna select one. It will give you preview of your message here. Now to add contacts, you can import CSV, Excel, or you can even download sample file from here. But let's add contact raw and add a message here. You have to add campaign name. Otherwise, if you seeing this error, this is mostly because people forget to add campaign name. So you have to add here a campaign name like test one and send. It will gives you two options as you can listen the notification on WhatsApp. I have already received this message. So you can here go in reports and it will be showing you in report. This is the campaign name. I was sent one before, but anyway, this is the one we sent now. You can view report. The message got delivered. If they would be in failed, you're gonna go here and see. It will gives you option to pause or resume as well. So those gonna be in pending, they're gonna be showing here. So everything is very well working here. Meanwhile, I have received the message here. As you can see, the name got replaced in that template and it sent the same message to me. Okay, now the next thing we're going to talk about is auto reply. So here you're gonna be first of all selecting the account you want to create auto reply for. You can edit it, add more or remove one, that everything is possible. Here you're gonna add a keyword on which the this auto reply should trigger, and you're gonna be putting here the message type. For now, let's go with just text. Here you're gonna set conditions, whether the whole word should match, the sentence should start with that word, or the message should end with that word, or it should be contain that word, or like anything. Here you can save that specific word into a specific contact list. I will show that later. For now, let's go in. Here again, the name you can use here. You can just use name here because these two variables won't work here. because we don't receive this specific variable for this contact who gonna send this, but you can use this spin text method to create random variations of messages or replies, whatever you want. Okay, so let's create it and let's test it. I will show you how we can send button, list, and text messages as well. So as you can see, we sent that text and we got our auto reply. Now the next thing is contacts. Here you can create a contact list. You can fetch here your chats from this WhatsApp or any other that you wanna select. You can fetch your contacts, fetch all groups. So that everything you can do, or you can import Excel or CSV. So for example, we have added here this message, uh, one contact and name, and I gonna save it. Or let me add here any other. Now let me show you if we set up this on auto reply. Like for example, at this keyword, we want to save any person who sent this keyword into this contact list. We can update it. And now anyone who will send this message, he will receive auto reply, as well he will be added automatic into that contact list. Here you can see we have two contacts now, and the number we sent message from got added here. Now the third thing is unsubscribe. You can send messages while giving people a keyword to OPT out. Like if they don't want to receive your messages, you can tell them please send this specific keyword to unsubscribe us. And for example, you have set it up with unsubscribe and you added here. You can use again only this variable here if you want to show the name. So for example, I have just right here, if someone unsubscribes, we're gonna inform them that I have got you and I have unsubscribed. Now, if anyone will send us this keyword, he should be automatic added into unsubscribers and he should not receiving any messages in future from our side. So for example, I sent this word, I got the response, I got you, and I got added into unsubscribers. So now if you will try to send message to them, you won't be able to because they are in unsubscribers. So you have to delete it from here if you want to send them again. The fourth way is the number filter that I want to tell you about. We have in this software a number filter as well that you can add your contacts here. Like you can import again Excel or CSV file and you can add here the number you want to check whether if they exist on WhatsApp or not. You're gonna be filtering. It's gonna give you if they exist. Then you can save in context from here by adding list name and it would be got saved there, or you can export or you can add country code, or you can remove duplicate and remove non-WhatsApp. That everything apply as same as others. Group grabber, this is one feature that we have, is you can select your fetch groups. It will give you the list of groups you have in there. You can select one, import all the number available into that group will be showing here. You can again export them or save in contacts by adding contact list. So in future, if you want to add any or send message to any contact list, you're gonna come in contacts, gonna click on add to sender list, and those number will be added here. Okay, now the next option is schedule broadcast. If you want to do send a message in future, you can add here a campaign name. You gonna select the account you want to send from. You can select multiple. You're gonna be selecting the template you want to send, the contact list you want to send to, or you can import CSV. This is up to you. And message at what time you want to send. For example, I want to send. It is already 28 here. So we want to send it on 30. 130, and let's create it. Now we want to send this message to these two people at this time. Ah, okay. So it's actually 25. I was looking at this date 28. Okay, anyway. So let's create it for 27 then. No, no, no. 2, 1, 27 p.m. and let's update. Okay, so we have scheduled it for 27. Now I should receive message in 1 minute. You can schedule it for another date, another time. So mean either you close this software or go anywhere, it will be working in backend for you. It will be sending the message for you. Here we go. 27, and the report should as you can see, the status got update. It should be start sending. You can see here the report got generate with the campaign name, schedule name, and you can even stop or pause that everything. It was showing already here, but now the message got sent, and here we got that message. Okay, the next thing is integration. This is for developers. If you want to use WupHub for just API access or any other, you can use it as well. Here you can add expiry date for API key and you can generate. It will give you API endpoint and API key. You can use in header X API key and use this key there. And this is body. Your message body should look like this, and you're gonna get response in this way, or in case it didn't get sent, error in this way. So that you can handle from here. So anyway, you can revoke it if you don't want to use. The other option we have here is template, schedule, send messages. Okay, now I want to tell you how you can send these button type messages with WebHub. So for that, you can come in templates. Let's create a new template. So we're gonna be choosing here. You can basically send text with media, you're gonna upload media and that everything, or you can send poll messages. You're gonna add here choices so that you can set up. So I'm gonna just show you how you can send the button. So here you're gonna choose the header type. It can be image, video, document, or nothing. So for example, we're gonna be using text and we're gonna be using here. You can use here that in body, basically you can use that those variables, but we don't need that for now. You can leave footer and header. These two are optional. Body should be always there. And the native buttons you can add. You can choose here three types: quick reply button, call button, or URL button. Quick reply, for example, I want to send with this button. Just one button. You can add multiple. So for example, here I was set up this auto reply on base of hello keyword. So that's why I added that as well. Let me add one more. This is for unsubscribe. Let's send the message with these both. We select button, we select account. You can see both the preview here, how it gonna look like. Add campaign, name and send. And here I have received the message with both button. Now if I will choose hello, I will receive auto response that we have set up here in auto replies. Or if I will choose unsubscribe, I will be added into unsubscribers. As you can see, hello WupHub, I have got you. So this gonna be in this way. Now we can you can basically create auto replies with buttons lists on base of a specific keyword, and then you can trigger on base of that and next and next and next. That everything is possible. Now I want to show you the URL button, how you can create that. Let's create another. You can add here image as well if you want to. For example, we want to add this. We don't need footer here, or you can add basically. If you don't have any other word, you can use just powered by WupHub. So it would mark it my platform as well. Anyway, we're gonna add here uh, visit now, and we're gonna be adding the link here. You can add multiple basically, another and another. So add as many you want, or you can add basically call type as well. and create. Now this message should send the text. Like this message should send the image, the body, message body, the header, the below one, and visit now and call us button. So let's do that. We have got, wait a minute. Ah, so as I was show you before, if the number will be in unsubscribers, so it gonna be get failed. So the message didn't got sent. It goes in unsubscribers. So let's delete it from here and let's go again and try to send. And here we go. We receive the message with text, with our body, image body, and with link. So they click and open the. So on mobile, they're gonna be just clicking and opening. On desktop, this callers won't work, but on mobile it will work. So everything is fine. Now you can create basically list type messages as well. You can create menu, list, you can add header, you can use footer if you want to. Basically, footer is better if you want to write here, choose the option or something. This is for explanation of this option. So let's create. Wait a minute. Always, if you create a session, you have to add rows. Session title does not matter, but the rows does. Session title is basically show the section name. So for example, if I will add here, again, I don't have any specific thing on my mind. So they can add anything. This rows are optional. Session title is optional. I'm just trying to show you. And let's create. List, add the message, send, and you can see the message I have got. This is the session title gonna look. It gonna be showing here. Then it gonna show options. Then the next session title. Then gonna show option. If you will add description, it will show here. Otherwise it will be showing in this way. So it is up to you basically. So when you gonna be when they choose and you want to send auto reply, that gonna be basically work on the first word that we have here, good and bad. So if I send good, I did not receive any message because we don't have anything here for good. So let's create one. Auto replies. You can create here another like on buttons. You can create next button. Like for example, if someone send us good and whole word is match because that gonna be basically responding by these like buttons. So then it gonna be match. We want to add them into contact list. Hey buddy, you can give again next. Next options, quick replies. They're gonna be respond. Now you can create another one on base of these buttons. Or wait a minute, let me actually create. Or hello, let's create this. Now, for example, if I choose this respond, I gonna be receiving the next. If I choose hello, I gonna be receiving the first one that we have this one. So you can create a auto reply menu type of auto reply. You can do a lot of stuff. And in automation, basically we're gonna be creating a flow. For now, it is not the way it should be, but still you can do automation here that you can add message, add delay, message delay, message delay. This is basically for planning for like next month or something. The campaigns you want to plan, those you can do here, but this is not the exact thing as we want. We will improve it. We're gonna be creating a flow out of this, but the other options gonna be still as it is, and you can use them. You can check this save messages if you want to save messages on server, like your all messages whatever you will receive will be start saving here. If you want to you can, otherwise they are not getting saved anywhere. You can use AI. When you sign up you're gonna get here tokens as well, AI tokens. WupHub has its own AI AI model that is working, so you can enable it and enable auto responses. You can add here a backup number and save. Let's try to talk to it. See here. No, this is from auto reply, but the AI response should be typing it. You can add here prompt instructions. Here you can add your knowledge. You can set rules, FAQs, product services, and business policies, business hours, contacts, like basically creating a very nice kind of a knowledge base, and then you can start using AI for respond. So for example, any question that you will ask, the AI will respond I'm functioning properly because it doesn't have any knowledge base at the moment. So it is just responding automatic. When you will add your knowledge base here and instructions and everything, then it gonna be respond from there. So that's all for today. As you can see, the prompt, the token got used from these last two messages. It is showing you here as well that it took 257 tokens to respond these two messages. Anyway, you have here 50,000 tokens, or it can be increased on base of your plan. And I hope that's it. If you like, here we have the dashboard. You're gonna be finding how many devices you have connected, how many auto reply you have set up, how many templates, campaigns, total messages, sent messages, and everything, or message did not got sent because of unsubscribers. You can see that got updated here as well. So everything is working fine, and you can start using. Have a nice day.